Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your car refuses to shift gears smoothly. You try using manual mode but nothing happens. Your transmission seems unresponsive, and the check engine light pops up. You grab an OBD-II scanner, and there it is, code P0951. This code indicates an issue with the auto shift manual mode circuit, low voltage, which can lead to shifting failures. Today, we'll break down what P0951 means, where the critical sensors are located, and how to fix it to get your transmission working properly again. Let's get started. What is DTC P0951? DTC P0951 stands for Auto Shift Manual Mode Circuit, Low Voltage. This means there's an electrical problem in the manual shift circuit, possibly due to a wiring fault, sensor failure, or a bad transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0951. If your car has this code, you may notice manual shift mode not responding. Hard or delayed shifting. Check engine light or transmission warning light. Limp mode, stuck in one gear. Unusual gear indicator behavior on the dashboard. Sensor and component location, very important. To fix P0951, locate these key components. Gear shift, selector switch. Location, found on the gear shifter assembly, usually inside the center console for automatic, or near the transmission linkage for manual. Function, detects gear selection and sends a signal to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually under the hood near the battery, on the transmission housing or inside the dashboard. Function, controls the gear shift process based on input from sensors, shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location, located inside the transmission valve body, beneath the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure to ensure smooth gear shifting, input and output speed sensors. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the drive shaft. Function, measures engine RPM and transmission speed for shifting accuracy. Gear position sensor, if equipped. Location, mounted on the gear shifter or transmission linkage. Function, communicates shift position data to the TCM. What causes P0951? Here are the most common reasons for this code. 1. Faulty gear shift selector switch prevents manual mode from functioning. 2. Damaged or corroded wiring, interrupts electrical signals to the TCM. 3. Low battery voltage or poor ground connection, causes voltage fluctuations in the shift circuit. 4. Malfunctioning transmission control module TCM, fails to process shift commands properly. 5. Faulty shift solenoids, disrupt hydraulic pressure control for shifting. How to fix P0951? Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console panel and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to check voltage readings. If it's faulty, replace the switch. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded or loose wires leading to the gear selector and TCM. Repair or replace any affected wiring. Step 3. Check battery voltage and grounds. Use a voltmeter to ensure the battery provides stable voltage, 12.6V+. Clean any corroded ground connections on the chassis. Step 4. Test the shift solenoids, remove the transmission pan, and check solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace any solenoids that fail the test. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM memory. Perform a test drive and monitor shift behavior. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive the car and confirm that manual mode functions properly. Final words. If you're dealing with P0951, your transmission's manual shift mode isn't receiving proper voltage. Fixing this early prevents major shifting problems and keeps your car running smoothly. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0768, Shift Solenoid E Performance or Stuck Off. P0769, Shift Solenoid E Stuck On. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.